Hey guys, let me take a quick second to introduce you guys to the Yukon Forge Wrenchless Propane nut. Now this is a great workaround of the old regulator brass nut that goes into the propane bottle. This thing ends up getting stripped over time and becomes a hassle. This guy, used with an O-ring nipple, allows you to use just your hands to change out your propane bottles. Now, let's do some forge maintenance. We've got our regulator, a high flow regulator for the propane bottle. This end goes to the hose to the forge, and then this end is gonna go towards the propane bottle. So now we're gonna take our rubber O-ring nipple. We're gonna take our brass nut. We're gonna make sure that the threads are going towards the O-ring, and then we're going to first hand tighten it. Make sure you got some new Teflon tape in there so it makes a good seal. And once we got a hand tightened, we'll use our wrench to really get a good seal. Now that we got a good seal, we add the little nut. And you want to line up the set screw so it is center of the brass nut, and that you can engage all of the threads and tighten it down. The set screw will bite into the brass nut, and there you go. Okay, now we've got our regulator reattached to our hose that goes to the forge. We're just going to attach it to our propane bottle. As you can see, it just goes right in. And then you start hand tightening. Easy to get a hold of, easy to turn. And what your goal is, you want to feel it engage and then just snug it down. So got it engaged. Now we're just going to snug it down and we're good. No more wrench.